Someone mashed up her life. Mixed blessings, perhaps. Amari in the spotlight as Jamaicans sing along to a surprising hit, Neko.
Neko, you mash up my life. You mash up my life.
We have two pandemics going on. We have the corona pandemic and we have the Neko pandemic. Right now, the Neko pandemic have surpassed the COVID-19 pandemic.
Amari, another Jamaican now living in the US. Fingers in several pies, but now with a music-biz buzz thanks to a Casanova called Neko who mashed up her life.
Well, Neko was written several years ago, and it has to do with a relationship that, I was deeply hurt about. So I sat down and wrote the lyrics and tried to let it come across the best way that I could express myself. There weren't many words that I could use to say how I was definitely feeling. And I just found myself just saying, you mash up my life.
Neko once identified as late bloomer DJ Gully Bob.
My God, and ain't nobody like me.
Remember him?
And ain't nobody like me. My God.
Neko happens to be my ex-fiancé, Gully Bob.
Anyway, that story's no change.
Well, it's definitely not Bob, but right now people are looking for Neko, so I'm giving them the opportunity to find him, you understand? And I believe that there is great excitement, within the concept that they don't really know who he is. They have to figure him out. We're going through the COVID-19 pandemic, and I want to take people out of their depression. So I send them on a witch hunt, so that they will try to find out who is this Neko.
Well, you have to give us a clue. Where's Neko from? Is Neko a Jamaican?
Definitely.
A parish. Give us a parish.
Well, I wouldn't know that, because I didn't, get all that information in regards to him. It was more about the love making. I didn't really care to know his historical background, but I tell you this much, Neko mash up my life.
Neko, you mash up my life.
That much is clear, but how exactly?
He totally destroyed my self-esteem and caused me to think less of myself. And when I was, when things were down, when, my financial status was very low, he wasn't there for me. I needed someone to be there. I called on him for help.
Help from Neko? Forget it. But maybe Amari's been away too long. Jamaican women might have told her the place is crawling with Nekos, bopping from one woman to another.
So you came to Jamaica. Did you see Neko on this trip? Are you trying to reconnect with Neko in any way, shape, or form?
I think I've seen him quite a few times.
Since being here on this trip?
Oh, definitely, which have caused me to be in further depression at one point.
Never know say you a drunk. Neko.
So the song Amari's plea for help, and dancehall fans loving it.
Neko, you mash up my life.
You mash up my life. You mash up my life. You mash up my life.
Mash up my life. Mash up my life.
Because many women and men are able to relate to broken relationships, broken hearts, broken promises, so they can identify with the song. The song is real, it's realistic, they're feeling it, they're feeling me, and they are emerging from their pain by dealing with it psychologically, by coming out and saying, yes, someone definitely destroyed my life. I never told you, but Amari have given me the freedom to say, you mash up my life. And this is something that women need to tell their men. They have cried in pain. Men have left them with children, and they have tried to be ladies in regards to the matter and have, just focus on raising their children. But at some point, they need to stop and address the baby fathers and the husbands and the one-night stands and say, listen, I had feelings for you. We were connected some way, somehow. You made love to me. It wasn't me alone that participated in the love making. It's both of us. And you just got up and leave. You understand? I meant everything to you before we made love. From we made love, I haven't seen you since. I think about you night and day. Neko, I can't move on. You mash up my life, Neko.
You mash up my life. You mash up my life.
Getting madder at Neko by the minute, but mashing up someone's life a two-way street, as Amari points out.
Because so many men are broken, women have played with their hearts. And many women have just used them for financial gain.
But in a heartbroken beat, Amari back on the trail of you-know-who.
With long-distance relationship, people texting and saying, I love you, come to Jamaica, I'd like to see you. And then you come to Jamaica and realize that he has his life living. He lives with his wife or his baby mother, and he didn't care about you. It was all texting, sexing, but he don't want you in the real world. Neko mash up my life. Neko have destroyed our lives, and everybody need to identify their Neko and sing that song out loud and clear throughout the universe to let Mother Universe understand that we are hurting. You mash up my life.
Neko, you mash up my life.
Mash up my life.
You mash up my life.
Starting to think, get a grip, Amari. Neko, let's face it, if he exists, not worth the constant repetition. But things could get sticky.
Because there are so many goodies in the world that are willing to seek revenge on their own. You know, it's no longer revenge is mine, says the Lord. It's revenge is mine, says the goodies around the world.
Goodies unite. Neko, whoever you are, beware.
So, Gully Bob, is he one of your Nekos?
He would like to be, but it so happened that he's not in that category, you know, because Gully Bob is definitely looking at hype, but he's not Neko.
Sounds like Neko to me.
Neko, mash up my life. Mash up my life. Mash up my life.